my voice, this is what I sound like, but it's not what I wish I sounded like. Like, I wish I sounded like a sassy black lady. Like, that's my dream. Don't get me wrong, I don't want to be a sassy black lady, because that sounds like a full-time job. But I want to sound like one, but that's not what I sound like. I sound like a white real estate agent. Everyone just close your eyes for 1 second and listen to my voice. Hey, come check out this cozy 2-bedroom starter home. Oh, thanks, guys. But that's what comes out of this face. But I want to sound like a sassy black lady because they just get to say the best things. Like, just once in my life, I want to be able to say, forget about your ex, Paula. Just a dream of mine, guys. But share a little bit about me, a little bit about Fatims. That's what I call myself. I'm what they call the fat. Hello. Do you feel how uncomfortable it just got in here? That's what happens every time it comes up. People get super weird, you know? They're always like, no, you're not fat. You're beautiful. And then I'm always like, pretty sure I'm both. But I thought about it, you know, and I don't think I'm ever going to really lose the weight because everyone always tells me I have such a pretty face. So I like to think I'm like cold pizza. You know, I'm not as hot, but I'm still pizza. But guys, I have a dowry. That's weird. Or as I like to call it, free gifts with purchase. Like, I come with amenities. For those of you who aren't familiar with it, a dowry, whoever I marry will actually get 60 camels. Yeah, I'm not even done yet. 100 goats. And 3.5 square miles of land. In Somalia. But it does make dating hard for me because I'm always like, does this guy actually like me? Or does he just want me for my camels? My humps, if you will. But do you know how hard it is to put a dowry on an OkCupid dating profile? Like, must be outgoing, good with goats, interested in travel and overseas property management. But like I said, my family's from Somalia, and we have this great tradition of giving all the ladies in our family just the best nicknames, like usually having to do with our appearance. Like, we called my sweet, sweet old grandmother, her nickname in Somali was in the Gudar, or translated to English, sunken eyes. Her nickname was Sunken Eyes. We called her that her whole life. But me, when I was a kid, I didn't walk like a normal person. Like, I never swung my arms when I walked. So I walked with razor straight arms all the time like a weirdo. And my family very aptly named me in Somali, Nin Ba'alu Sito, or translated to English, man carrying heavy bags. I guess they thought lady carrying heavy bags wasn't mean enough. But my sister's nickname was worse. My sister's nickname growing up in Somali was Futuder, or translated to English, long butt. To be fair, she does have a long butt. But it was worse because every time my family would see her, they'd sing this rhyme that sounded nice, but in my family's tradition of being mean, not nice. I'll sing it first in Somali. It goes like, Hibo futo dere yaku arose chinni. Do you see how sweet it sounds? But then the English translation is, Hibo with the long butt, who did you marry?